Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Now error code 0X800B1004. There was a problem connecting to GeForce Now. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Our first solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall GeForce Now. To do this, we need to check GeForce Now is running background. For checking it, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now search for Now in here. Search Now in here and right click on the Nvidia container and select in task. After doing it, close out of here. Now you just need to right click on the start icon, select Run. In Run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here, you just need to search for Nvidia Corporation folder guys. Double click on it. And GeForce Now, right click on it and select delete it guys. Now we have cleared the data of GeForce Now. After doing this, close out of here. To uninstall the application, go to search menu and type uninstall a program. Click on control panel, click on uninstall a program and search for GeForce Now. Right click on the GeForce Now and select uninstall it guys. Click on uninstall. After getting successfully uninstalled, close out of here. We have removed GeForce Now guys. For downloading GeForce again, before that we need to restart our computer guys. For that, go ahead and restart it. After restarting your PC, go to browser, search for GeForce Now and click on the download option and download it guys. Click on the Windows PC. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. After getting install done, you just need to check your problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Our second solution is to change the server. This solution is quite simple and has been helpful for many people on Nvidia forum. To do this, click on the 3/ icon menu, click on the settings. Now you just need to scroll down. You will be getting the option server location. You just need to change it guys. You just need to change to TR Central 1. After changing the server location, now check your problem resolved or not. If this also doesn't work for you, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to use the GeForce Now through browser. Until this problem is resolved in GeForce Now, we can use GeForce Now from the browser guys. To do this, open up browser, search for GeForce Now. You will be getting Nvidia GeForce Now website, official website. Click on how to play, click on it. You just need to scroll down, select launch in your browser, then click on I agree and continue. Now Nvidia will redirect us to the Play GeForce Now website where we can access to GeForce Now without downloading the application guys. Agree and continue. Now what you have to do is log into your account. After doing it, it always be better to use the app guys for the best performance, but we can use GeForce Now from website until the problem is solved. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.